Hello everyone, this is Amir Salim from Alpha SEO Tools, and today we are back on our website. I will introduce you to a new tool which I've been working on, which I've installed on my site, which is Slug Maker and URL Slug Generator. So let's go to for a brief tutorial. Here I've already opened the link. It's a very simple and easy tool, but it's also very important tool. So what you have to do is just enter the text and select your option. If you want to select dash or underscore, however you want to make your URL. So let me go here. I will copy this and I will go back and paste here. This is the simple title of the article. I will just generate this, and this is it will only install dashes in place of the spaces. Okay, now you can also select underscore and generate, and it will create your URL in this form. And after I select the remove stop word, sorry, generate slug, and it has removed the D and in the stop words. And after I select this, I have to add some, you know, like this numbers, and it will also remove the digits if you unselect it, and it will generate like this. And if you don't want the numbers to include in your URL, you can just click the remove numbers and generate slug, and this will create your URL or slug. So usually this is fine. If you don't want to include numbers, of course generate slug, and this is fine. Copy to clipboard, and your slug is copied, and you can paste it anywhere where you want to create your link. So that's it. It's a very simple tool, and this is a small description of the tool. Below you can read it, and there are some examples which you can check out, and that's it. So if you like my video, do like it and share my channel and subscribe, and also do check out my site Alpha SEO Tools for different tools which can help you out. Thank you very much. Bye bye.